today's lesson, I'll show you how to add a festive Christmas outro to any song that ends in the key of F major. Here's some note C for reference. We'll start with the left hand. We're going down the chromatic scale and we'll play F, E, E flat, D, D flat, C, and end with F octaves. On the right, we'll play F and A together. We'll play this 3 times, another 3 times, then we'll play it once more, and we'll play C, F, G, and end with C, E, and A. We'll play both hands together to give us our F major 7 chord. Now let's add this ending to any song that ends with F or F major 7. Instead of the simple F or F major 7, we'll play our ending like so. What if your song ends in a different key? Well, I have you covered with the following tutorials. The links are in the description and comment section.